In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint to create professional, visually appealing slides in just a few clicks. SmartArt is one of the most powerful built-in tools in PowerPoint, and it allows you to turn simple text into engaging diagrams like processes, hierarchies, cycles, and comparisons. If you've ever wanted your presentations to look cleaner and more polished without spending hours designing shapes manually, this tutorial is for you. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any customization tips. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and either create a new presentation or open an existing one where you want to add SmartArt. Once you're inside your slide, go to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slide, including images, charts, shapes, and of course, SmartArt. In the Insert menu, click on SmartArt. This will open a new window showing all the available SmartArt graphic categories. On the left side, you'll see categories like List, Process, Cycle, Hierarchy, Relationship, Matrix, Pyramid, and Picture. Each category serves a different purpose. For example, Process is great for step-by-step instructions. Hierarchy works well for organizational charts, and Cycle is perfect for repeating workflows. Select the layout that best fits your content, then click OK. The SmartArt graphic will now appear on your slide with placeholder text. You'll see a small text pane that says, "Type your text here." Click inside that area and start typing your content. Each line you type becomes a new shape in the SmartArt graphic. If you press Enter, it adds another point. If you press Tab, you can create sublevels in certain layouts, which is especially useful for hierarchies. Next, click on the SmartArt object itself to select it. Once selected, you'll notice two new tabs appear in the ribbon, SmartArt Design and Format. These tabs give you full control over how your SmartArt looks. Under the SmartArt Design tab, click on Styles to explore different visual styles. You can instantly change the appearance from flat to 3D, add depth, or apply a more polished theme. Right next to Styles, click on Change Colors to quickly apply different color schemes that match your presentation theme. This is a fast way to ensure your slide looks consistent and professional. If you want to switch the structure of your SmartArt without retyping everything, click on Layout in the SmartArt Design tab. You can choose a different layout, and PowerPoint will automatically adjust your existing text into the new format. Now, let's adjust the size. Make sure the SmartArt object is selected. Then go to the Format tab. Here, you can manually adjust the width and height of the SmartArt graphic. Click on Width to increase or decrease how wide it appears on the slide. Then click on Height to adjust how tall it is. This helps you fit the graphic perfectly within your slide layout. You can also drag the corner handles directly on the SmartArt to resize it visually. This gives you more flexibility when aligning it with other slide elements. If needed, you can click back on SmartArt Design at any time to refine the layout, add shapes, or rearrange items. SmartArt is dynamic, which means you can keep editing and customizing it as your presentation evolves. And that's it. You now know how to insert, edit, style, resize, and customize SmartArt graphics in PowerPoint to make your presentations more engaging and professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.